Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today I want to share what I got for Easter. I'm catching up and doing much better. The other day I shared what I got for Christmas, so we've fast forwarded now to Easter. So these are things that I bought for myself. One I needed and the other two I didn't need, but I liked them, and anyway, I'll get to it in a second. So I do have one of my Birkins in the background. I did not get that for Easter. It's not new. I've had that for a decade. But you'll understand in a little bit why I have that out, because I'm going to need that. But let me first start with something I did show in a video a couple days ago, or maybe a few weeks ago, I don't remember. It's the bag I got from DeMellier. You probably saw this if you watched my video. DeMellier, however you say it, is a very popular brand right now. It's kind of like a mid-luxury brand, and it's good quality, reasonable prices, and I know that it's getting very popular, and I think the bags are beautiful. There's so many gorgeous styles. But one of the things that I loved, and one reason I wanted to try the brand, was because they had a few vegan styles. And maybe like 6 months ago when I went on their website, they had two different styles of bags that were made with vegan leather. And they had each one they had in black and tan. And my plan was to eventually get one of each style and maybe one black and one tan. But when I checked the site a couple months ago, there was only one style in vegan, and they only had the black in that style. So I grabbed it up because I was worried that maybe it would sell out as well. So I did show you that in my other unboxing not too long ago. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but I will just take it out of the bag. And the reason I didn't save it to open until Easter was because I just wanted to make sure that everything was okay with it. But I will just quickly show this again. And please forgive if you see, you may see a colander in the background. I'm cleaning some basil because I want to make a pasta. So anyway, so here you go. This is the beautiful DeMellier bag that I got. Again, I won't go into all details because it's in my video from, I think it might have been 3 weeks ago. And anyway, I love it. It's adorable. It is a mini bag, so probably not something I would carry on a daily basis, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, so that was the first thing. And the second thing I got was something that I needed. I ran out of, and I wanted to replenish, but I got a bigger size than I normally do because they didn't have the smaller size. So I got one of my favorite Jo Malone fragrances, and the excuse was Easter, but I needed it, so I will unbox this. I got a, oh, I'm sorry, wait a minute, I'm wrong. I did get the same size I usually do. The Blackberry and Bay. I love it. Blackberry and Bay was one of the fragrances that I got in the Jo Malone Advent Calendar that I got for Christmas 2022. And I absolutely love this fragrance, and I got hooked on it. There were a couple that I got hooked on from all the mini sizes in the Advent Calendar, and this was one of them. It's a really beautiful fragrance. So if you have a chance to try it, definitely you might want to do that. And then, because I like to layer my fragrances, I treated myself to the Blackberry and Bay body cream. So that way I can put on the cologne and then have the body cream. And it just makes it so much like stronger, and it lasts longer. And it really just, it just makes you smell so good. So I love that. I have the pomegranate noir body cream, so I layer that as well, and I'd like to eventually get the body cream to go with my other favorite fragrances, but for now I have this one that I can do that with. So I love that. Okay, so that was the next item. And then Jo Malone sent some samples. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is a lime, basil, and mandarin exfoliating shower gel. Very nice. Maybe I will use that later. And then peony and blush suede cologne. So a little spray on. Let me put that in my bag. I love these little mini ones that you can put in your handbag. It's nice. So you can dab yourself or spritz yourself as the day goes on. Okay, now the final item that I got for Easter is something from Hermes. So this is something that I have been seeing on their website for a really, really long time, probably a couple of years. I was interested in it. I wanted to get it, but I kept waiting, and I'll explain why when I open it. But I finally bit the bullet because I thought, you know, at any point it could disappear from the website, and then who knows when it'll be back. So this is something from the Petite H collection, and if you don't know, the Petite H collection is allegedly made from scraps of material, scraps of silk, scraps of leather, and Hermes fashions those into other items like bag charms or like little cases for like little compact mirrors, like all different kinds of little things. And one of the things I love about the Petite H collection is that whenever you order something from Petite H, you get a charm on your ribbon. And so this time I got a horse. I absolutely love it. It's so nice. This has to be one of the nicest charms I've ever gotten. I have a turtle, a monkey, I have a heart, and then I have like one, like a little round one. But this is so cute. And you can actually, like here it's, the ribbon is woven through, but you could actually put a twilly through there. I have done this on my Kelly pochette. I've put the twilly through the charm and like tied that at the end so that I have that as my bag charm. So it's just really cute, and I love this, and yeah, it's just so pretty, or they're pretty to display. So now, okay, this item inside, you can't choose the color that you get. It showed 4 different colors. I did call customer service and requested a specific color. And then gave them a second choice. Unfortunately, I don't know if they were able to honor that, but I'm hoping that they did, because I wanted a bright color, and unfortunately, the other things I have that are similar to this are in more neutral colors. So we'll see. We shall see. So let me just open this. And as you see, you see like how cute that is. I mean, you could even wear this on your wrist if you wanted to. It's just so cute. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure you guys are very creative. You can think of a way to use these, but they're just so pretty. People sell these charms. Like, people collect them. I guess I kind of collect them too, but I'm not selling them. But people sell them. I see it on eBay. Like, people just sell this charm. But they're very cool. So, okay. Gosh, this is exciting because I have not seen this in person. Here's the little booklet about Petite H. Holding my breath to see. Ooh, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Wow. They did kind of honor my request. So this is a bag charm. It's a parrot, and it's leather, and on the one side is sort of like this. It's like a teal, bluish green, I would say. Well, it actually looks more like a green, like a teal green. And on the other side is an army green, and the cord is silk. So I had requested, there was a bright green that they showed, excuse me, on the website, and then there was like a watermelon red, and then there were two other neutrals, and I asked if I said green was my first choice. So this isn't the bright green that they showed, but this is green. They definitely honored, you know, my request of getting green, and I'm so excited, because I have two horse bag charms that are petite H, and one is like a light blue, like a sky blue, and the other one is sort of like a, or maybe the other side's army, and then the other one is more of a neutral. It's like sort of like a brownish color, and there's always, you know, both different colors on each side, but I wanted something brighter, and that's why I have my bag here, because I wanted to show how it looks. And this is so perfect because look at the twilly. It's such a good match. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see? Such a good match with the green and the twilly. It's very close on this side. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm sorry. I just was like so worried about this, because you just don't know what you're getting. And I wasn't going to return it, but I just wanted to get something that would stand out on this bag, on all my bags actually. So look how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh. And it is a really good match with this. This color is coming up brighter on the camera than it is in person, which is interesting. And this is coming up a little more muted than it is in person, but trust me when I tell you that it's a pretty decent match there. Yeah. Oh, I am so excited. I also have my Kelly pochette. I feel like this is a little big for the Kelly pochette, although I could do it if I wanted. But I have my Blue Nuit Birkin, and this is also going to be beautiful on that. So I'm so excited. And the reason that I wanted the parrot, and the reason I wanted the parrot but that I didn't get the parrot after seeing it so many times and for so many years, was that I have a parrot. Except my parrot is a cockatoo. This is a kind of parrot. And I was hoping that they would maybe come out with a cockatoo charm. I think they might have had one once a long time ago. So I kept waiting and waiting, but I figured I'd better get this now before it disappears. Because sometimes they sell out and then you don't see them again. So I'm so excited. I love it. Oh, I'm so glad I bit the bullet and got it. So that is it. It's the fragrance, the DeMellier bag, and the Hermes bag charm from Petite H. So thank you guys so much for watching and for being here for my unboxing. And I will be back soon with another video. Take care, everyone.